shit. So pretty. Ooh. Look at my hands. If you're scared to get dirty, you can't garden, baby. Or I like to get my hands dirty, okay? This to all of my plants when I first get them. Okay guys, so I'm back with another video. Today we are going to be repotting and enriching our soil of the plants that we got on Black Friday. So I have 4 plants that I need to do this for. Now you can wear gloves. I don't wear gloves. I like to get my hands dirty, okay? So yeah, let's get started. I think I'm gonna start with the biggest ones first, and then do the small ones. Also clean it. I do this to all of my plants when I first get them. Pretty roots. Just gonna dump this over here because we're not using it. Okay. Now we're gonna take this. We're gonna keep this pot even when we buy new pots. We're gonna keep this one and put it into our new pot. Okay, you never put a plant directly into a decorative pot. You need to have a pot that has holes like this, drain. Those holes are very important. Okay? The pot like almost halfway full. I'm going to make a little indentation. Actually, let me add some more dirt. I just dug my fist in there like that. Make a little indentation. I'm gonna take her. I'm gonna stick her right in the middle of that. Okay, simple. Then you're gonna take some more dirt and pile the dirt on top to set her into place. Make sure the dirt is even on each side, so like that. And as you're putting in, make sure you're packing it like that. This packing is gonna help it stay in place. You see it? You see the difference? Shake her. She's not moving. We're gonna fill her up all the way to where she was filled last time. You could tell by how dark this is. Look at my hands. If you're scared to get dirty, you can't garden, baby. Or put on some gloves. But you gon' get dirty. It's inevitable. And because our last soil was a bit on the moist side, I am going to water her. It's Sunday. Sundays are my watering days for all my plants, so she's gonna get a good watering to make sure that she's happy in her new home. You see how I'm really patting in that dirt? Do like one more layer of dirt all around here. Good to Now, if you want to take it an extra step, like I like to do, because I'm a little extra, I take cayenne pepper and I sprinkle it all around. I do this once a week, and this will keep any bugs, any pests, any gnats out of your plants. So I'll be right back. I'm about to go get that, sprinkle that in, and then we'll move on to the next plant. I'm sorry, I said cayenne pepper, but you can use this as well. Red crushed pepper. So I'll take her and sprinkle her like this, like so, like that. And it's gonna keep what you don't want in your plant out. So we're done with her. We can move on to the next one. Let's make some space for her. Oh, she leaning. Woo! Didn't even fit her in the frame, but I'll show y'all a clip of her after this. So pretty. Ooh. She's heavy. Let's pull. Oh God, oh God. Look at that. Look at those roots, baby. Roots look great. Alright, let's loosen this up. Now, if you want to, you can rinse this out. If you have a backyard that you can use with a hose, rinse this all the way down and then refill it. I'm not doing all that today. No. I'll do this. Put our cayenne in here. Our crushed red pepper. Now we should be able to get her in there. So like that. Lean with it, rock with it.
You've only got one chance, yeah. Come on, come on, come on. Maybe we'll get older, baby.
Dry that is. Super easy to pull this out. See? It's the yucky soil off. Give her some new soil.